What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe to the video, man. I appreciate you guys tuning in today, man. We are almost at 40,000 subscribers, so I want to thank all you guys for tuning in today, man. So if you guys haven't subscribed, man, help your boy out and hit that button below, man. It's only a click. I definitely appreciate it. Meanwhile, man, we got the bikes in the back. Got our 2020 right here. You guys seen this thing yesterday. Here, let's check it out. Looking real good in the brown and the blue. I'm digging it. Got to get a few little things here done today. Got to take these sliders to the powder coat as well as the brake. So we'll take those to the powder coat now. Then we'll push up to Harley and get this little seat piece right there. Then we'll be good on that. Then it is hot as heck out here today. So depending on how hot or not it is, I'm gonna come back and start getting to this inner fairing. Then again, I think I'm gonna have to wait anyway to put the sliders on there. So that's what I think I'm gonna do, man. At least go take that to the powder coat, get them sliders back, and then we'll start working on this bike again. Meanwhile, we can get the first ride for this 2020 today, so gonna pull that out pretty soon and link up with my boy Dre. Now, I told y'all, man, I had the car packed up yesterday. I was freaking so tired and whooped yesterday, dog, on that road. I had to do everything to stay up. Sunflower seeds everywhere. Oh my God, and I got a freaking parking ticket yesterday, dog. Welcome back to LA, right? But let's get this thing moved in a spot and hop in that truck, man. I actually missed my truck. I can't even hold you. Just pulled up to 6651, man. About to get this last little stuff powder coated so we can get this thing complete and to go. Can't wait. Just pulled up to Harley, man. Let's go in here and get what we need and leave with only with what we need. Just made it back to the crib. Got our part. We're gonna switch that out real quick and be good to go. And we got that situated. Now that we got our crash bar, we can throw that on there as well. Just try to get this thing a little bit more complete. Get rid of some of these boxes up in here. Got that crash bar on there. Now we do have some new like fairing mounts. So once our fork cover gets switched out, we'll be tackling this whole front. That's literally the only thing holding us back. But once that is done, everything else on this bike will be complete, man. So I can't wait. Now the battery was completely dead. We can turn that on. See if we can get some decent power now. Tail light should work now. Okay. All right, we got some action now. That's cool. Low tire pressure detected. Okay, that's cool, man. That's cool. Got the lights. Ooh, we coming together, man. I ain't even gonna start it right now, but we are coming together. Then I guess since we're doing crash bars, I'll put this crash bar on the Road King real quick. Guys, our bars did come for our Road King 16-inch. Nice size bars. Nice and chrome. So that'll be dope. We'll get those on there shortly. But time to go to the homie house real quick. Trying to get him ready so he can at least slide tonight. He done took both of his bikes to LA, so we'll see. Alrighty, guys, just pulled up to the homie house, man. You guys remember the orange bike here? We kind of been doing some stuff off camera, man. So we got the back end tidied up, ready to go. Complete back there. Both pipes, seat, everything is good. So now we are getting the outer fairing switched out just so we can slide tonight. He's gonna get the inner along with those bars put on this week, so that should be cool. Now we wanted to try to get this wraparound fender on there. However, the bolts that we got are too small, like they won't even fit through the little hole. So got to figure that out, but we're gonna be able to get this thing riding and sliding today. So let's see what we can get done on this real quick. Alrighty, guys, we done got this outer fairing on there, all tightened in, tightened up. Looks actually pretty good with the little, Halloween look. Not too bad. Gonna see if this thing fires up. We got tail lights, we got headlights up there. Now I do got like a freaking bulb at my crib, so that one's gonna have to do until you get there. But so let's see if we can get some action on. Let's see. Okay. We got some action going now, man. We got some action going now. At least it's like pretty complete to the point where you can like, ride it a little bit, But it's here, man. We're gonna get this thing pulled out and see what it look like. See, pull that thing on out, man. Okay. It's looking good. It's definitely looking good, that's for sure. That's crazy. Let's see. Let's see it. See how we pop up. Oh my God, this guy. You better not pop a belt like I did. Look good though. I like it. It look good, man. That's crazy. Definitely changed up the whole look from that old school white, man. That orange looks a whole lot better, man. What y'all think about it, man? Let your boy know in the comments below. Got this boy back on ground. Got that thing looking good, man. See, you gonna lose his keys like that. Now, you still need the fender spacers right there, or the screws rather. But man, when this thing is all complete with the bars and everything, I think it got a lot of potential, man. Colored the same color matched inner fairing with the bars, wheels and everything. This thing will look really good, man. Yeah, it looks really good. I like it. What y'all think, man? Let your boy know. Alrighty, guys, we finally made it back to the house. We got the battery on this one charging. We dropped off our sliders at the powder coat, so those should be done. They would be done tomorrow, but Monday they'll be done. So I've been trying to hold off on this for a while. If you guys haven't noticed, man, it's time to get this first ride in. It's finally, the sun finally went down, man, and I think I'm finally about to pull this joint out, man. So wish your boy luck, dog. Let's get it. All right, man. So we can get this first startup. See what's going on. See, we got some action on.
Nowhere general.
Definitely got action. Bags is rumbling in the jungle. Rambling in the jungle. And I just ordered this same exact pipe for my 2020. That thing is gonna be freaking sick. Mine's is in black though. Super sick sound. I let this thing warm up for a second. It's hot as heck out here. We about to hop on this thing and dip, y'all.